we're back, folks. Check it out. We got a really nice 2010 Escape XLT edition. This is a one-owner unit with an abundance of dealer service records that we have recorded. Blue steel metallic, charcoal interior, XLT equipment group, 6-cylinder automatic transmission, factory sunroof, power driver's seat, sync technology with streaming audio, Bluetooth hands-free calling, auxiliary line in, USB, got it all. Luggage rack, privacy glass, non-smoker unit, extremely well maintained, factory sunroof. These are great little SUVs. They're reliable, dependable, get great gas mileage, rugged. Just a no-frills way to go forward for you. We're going to offer guaranteed credit approval on this vehicle, and that's going to get you into this truck with around $595 starting down pay. Service contract is included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the complete driveline, and this baby's ready to roll. All serviced up and ready to go, just in time for your summer cruise. AskCleveland.com.